maybe an oil cooler, but I can definitely smell the hot oil as John Field came down pit road.
Well, you can see one of the support braces was hanging off the back down there. I don't know if there's a cooler back there or not without a closer inspection of it. But one thing I just noticed about, crash here.
Well, and that's the 26 Andretti Green Acura. And is it one of the Dyson Porsches?
That is Dirt 10B, 10A. It is one of
it's Chris Dyson. Brian Herta and Chris Dyson have come together at 10A.
Wow, that's the second incident with Herta in the car today. One thing I was just about to say is if I was a prototype driver, I'd start paying attention to the fact that every time they make contact, they're getting stop-and-go penalties. Precedent has been set.
Well, Andretti... That's Chris Dyson. Was it Chris Dyson or...
Sounded like Herta, possibly.
Well, this replay will decipher it for us.
That's the braking zone, of course, so that's where they were.
Here we go.
Down the hill they come. That is Chris working inside. Wow.
And it's definitely the voice of Brian Herta. He said he hit me from behind.
He didn't hit him from behind. He hit him right alongside. He was clearing alongside. I mean, he wasn't paying attention there, Brian, or whatever. Couldn't see out the car. I don't know what, but he wasn't hit from behind. I mean, they were side by side.
It's amazing how you can get out of your groove a little bit, Dorsey, with the contact it's had, the frequent pit stops, the damage to the car, things aren't working right. You kind of get out of your game a little bit, I think.